For today's project, we're going to make our own fruity Play-Doh. To start, we're going to mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of salt, and 2 packets of Kool-Aid. The Kool-Aid is what's going to add the color and make it smell like fruit. I chose orange and pink for my colors. Next, we're going to take a spoon and mix it up until all of it is one color. Next, we'll need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and a 1/2 cup of water, and mix those together. Next, we're going to take the oil and water and pour it in a little bit at a time and mix it in between. And you just keep adding the oil and water until you run out. Once the Play-Doh starts getting clumpy and sticking together, you can use your hands and knead it together. My Play-Doh was still a bit dry, so I added some water, and that's okay. You can use as much water as you need, or if it's too wet, you can always add more flour. after a while you can start seeing it stick together like Play-Doh. And if you're able to form a ball and it sticks together, then it's all ready to go. If you want to store your Play-Doh, you can always keep it wet in a Ziploc bag, or you can form it into any type of shape you want. I chose to do a little heart, and my Play-Doh was still a bit crumbly because I didn't use very good flour, but that's okay, I still had fun with it. But after you've created your masterpiece, you can leave it out overnight to dry, and you can keep it on display for however long you want. I hope you enjoy your delicious smelling Play-Doh, and I can't wait to see what you create.